Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This unfinished family-oriented property is located in Ashton, St. Elizabeth. This is approximately 3 minutes from the town of Black River. This house comes with 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms and is about 75% completed. The floor space of this house is 7,000 square feet and the land size is 0.99 acres. Come and complete this wonderful house to make it your home today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 390,000 or Jamaican $60 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.